Hey, welcome back, guys. Today I'm in my shop and I'm running my CNC. I'm cutting some carbon fiber. I wear a mask. I got my room paper, what do you call it, plastic off to keep it separate from my printing area. This is all our RC stuff. We do a lot of retro stuff. We've been flying quadcopter since 04, 03, something like that. We got a lot of homemade ones that we used to make. So today I'm running my CNC, so I'll take you in here. It's a little messy, a little bit. Just as where I have the computer set up, and then the router itself and stuff there. Drilling out some carbon fiber. Run a super PID system. This is to control the spindle speed and to keep the speed accurate on your setting. So like if you're cutting wood, you would have it at a low setting, and then it would try and do a really good job of running the speed that you set. Like maybe I run it at 5,000 RPM, it would hold that RPM when it's digging in. So you adjust the speed on here, and that's it. I run Mach 3. I'm actually a Mach 3 dealer. I haven't mentioned that, but I'm a Mach 3 dealer. I'm a Mach dealer. So I sell 3 and 4. Just some basic bandsaw, drill press, belt sanding. A lot of my materials I use. A lot of aluminum. I do a lot of aluminum, carbon fiber, and G10. There's a lot of G10. I love that stuff. But that's pretty much it. So this is my CNC room. It's pretty good round. I'd say this room is about maybe 12 foot back and forth. 12 foot this way and about 12 foot this way. Because like I said, if you go out from where I'm standing, it's about 20 feet or a little bit more to that table. So I've got plenty of room in here. This is like my son has set up for RC stuff. And then like more RC stuff here. The powder coating table is going to go here. I got powder coating oven. Everything is going to go right here on this wall. So that'll be cleaned up. My son's guns are over there. And then everything is the way it is. So that's it. That's running my CNC. Doing some custom CNC jobs here. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I told you I'd get to the CNC eventually.